So I took off the door panel for the passenger side now. So I gotta take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 2 screws you cannot see right now. 7, 8, 9. So I gotta take 9 off, and I gotta adjust all this because the other 2 that you can see is gonna be kind of hard. So I gotta hold the window and play with all this, and then when I see it, and I can take it off, and then after that I can take the regulator off and the motor off behind here, this wall thing, and then just take it off while I'm holding the window. After that, it's the same process. It's gonna be, you know, kind of hard, but because usually if you have 2 person doing this, it's like really easier. So I'm gonna time lapse everything because it's gonna be a while. So let's go ahead and get started. So I go ahead and took the old window regulator out. So now what I did was I connected the new one to the harness to where it can get power to. So when I was taking the old one off, this slider was all the way here, which it would have these 2 screws right here that I had to take off, and it was kind of hard because I had to get to it, and my hands is not small. So anyway, so after that, I want to make sure before I put the new one in, I don't want this piece to be inside here. I want to put it probably right here, so I can put the window halfway and lock it up here, put the screws in there and everything else back together, because if I leave it there, it's too much for me. So this is where I will test it to make sure it works. So I gotta get the door panel back over here, get connected to this connection, and should I think my battery in the car is off, so I just want to plug it back on. And then after that, this should slide down probably halfway because that's where I want it there, like I say. And then just go from there. Okay, so I have power now. I turned the car on. Now I gotta put this connection here and then bring this down and see if it works. Put it right here, and this should slide down. It's not moving. It's not good. I don't like it. So many hours later, I got it working on this side right here. Let's see. So it's good to go. I had forgot that the window lock for the main panel, that I had it pushed in to where when you do that, this window won't go up and down. So anyways, so that's why the first time it didn't work. So now it's working, as you see. And then I had to do some other things. That's why it took so long. It's like a couple hours later. But anyways, and then so I'm definitely gonna probably not put all this together today, because the goal is just to put it on the window regulators, both of them. And so after that, I'm good to go. And then I gotta get ready to go out and meet up with some people. And let me see, I'm probably gonna not end the video yet, but I will end it after I take a shower and all that good stuff. But so I'll see y'all guys soon. Alright everybody, so I'm back. I had to take a quick shower, but anyways, that was that video. And I would like to thank everybody that's coming in on my videos and subscribing, because I'm one subscribe from my goal for the year. And so like I said, go to somebody's phone that haven't been subscribed and go to their phone and put my YouTube name and they say subscribe, so I can get my goal any kind of way, you know. Like I say, another thing, like if you see me anywhere, you know, I'm a cool person, laid back, so you can say what's up or whatever. Also have to do maybe another video tonight. I might record some races or something like that, and so I can have something for tomorrow. maybe the next day or something like that. Don't forget to like this video because I've been working hard on it, and don't forget to comment also because just say hey, whatever, anything on the channel. And don't forget to subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you. And everybody that been subscribed for the last week, maybe 2 weeks or so. And I'll see you on the next one.